Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix zero parades for Dead Spies game, crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So after restarting your PC, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to run the game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. If this doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. The next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Under here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics card. After that, try to launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. Wait for some time, it will check if there is any update available and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check. Next is to stop overclock CPU or GPU settings. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then it can hamper the game you are playing. So it's better to stop the overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background and after that launch the game and check. Next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, here you have to select your game and after that click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance and after that try to launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings and after that here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it. Now wait for some time. Once you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play the game. If not, next is to close background apps. So for that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Under background processes tab, here you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You have to select it and after selecting it, right click on it and then click on end a task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check if you can play the game. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, Steam users, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. Next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall once again. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and then reinstall 0.8 for Dead Spies game, and finally click on the play button to check if the game is opening or not. So using these methods, you can easily fix 0.8 for Dead Spies game, crashing, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen, or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.